Hi guys, this is Sahil and today I'm going to tell you about the IR and PI test of the transformer. The main thing I am going to discuss here that why these tests are conducted for 1 minute and 10 minutes. The reason behind this we will discuss later, but first we see the definition of the PI and DAR. So if you see the carefully, here DAR is mentioned dielectric absorption ratio. It is the ratio of the resistance after 1 minute to 15 seconds, and PI is the same thing, but it is the ratio of the resistance after 10 minutes to 1 minute. So coming to the question back, why these tests are conducted for 1 minute and 10 minutes? So I have to tell you one thing. Every insulator have 4 current associated with this. One is charging current, second is conductive current, third is the surface leakage current, and fourth and last one is the polarization current. Every insulator have a nature of the capacitive nature. Every insulator has the capacitive nature. So when we inject the voltage, the capacitor starts charged and then it becomes fully charged. There is no current. So the charging currents flow from starting to the 1 minute. After 10 seconds, it start decreasing, and 1 minute it's completely eliminated from the system. So the effect of the charging currents remains only the 1 minute. So when we are performing DAR, so we eliminate the charging current because it is the ratio of the 1 minute to 15 seconds. Coming to back, the second thing, that is the conductive current. Every insulator have a degree of conductance, and that's why the conductive current always remain in the circuit, and this indicate the real value, a real order or real quality or real standard of a insulation. Third is the surface leakage current. In the surface leakage current, what happens, every insulator have absorb some kind of the moistures and dust particle, so the current start from leakage from outer surface of the insulator. So as the time increases due to the heat, the moistures vaporize and this current significantly decrease, but we can't say that it eliminated. So actually in the insulation test, basically we consider the current, that is the conductive current, and second is the some fraction of the surface leakage current. Coming to the fourth point, that is the polarization current. Because I mentioned earlier that the insulator is the hygroscopic nature, so it absorbs moistures, dust particles. So these particles, moisture, dust particles, are in dielectric nature. So when they are put in the electric field, because when we are injecting the voltage, so basically the electric field is generated there. So these particles align along the direction of the electric field. So there is energy required to alignment of these dielectric particles along the electric field. So this energy is taken from the voltage source in the form of the current. So there is the polarization current, and this current remains in the circuit at least 10 minutes. So when we have to quick response, then we go for DAR, and we have to check the reliability of the system, the accuracy of the system, then we go for PI. So in the transformer we go for PI. For other things we go for DAR. Like CT and PT we go for DAR, and for much severe device like transformer, so we go for PI. And if you see carefully, the test is going on and we are performing the PI of the transformer, and DR is already calculated, that is the 1.62. It is calculated in 1 minute, but after 10 minutes we will be able to see the PI value. The PI value is preferred above 2. If the PI value is above 2, then the situation is very good, but we consider 1.5 considering the environmental situations. For DAR value, the above 1 value are acceptable, but if our value are going 1.4 above, then this is considered excellent conditions of the insulation. So I will show you the PI value of this test after 6 minutes, because it's going to 5 minutes complete. Please wait. Guys, sorry for waiting, and we are going to done PI, and the PI value we obtain 1.55, and this is a acceptable range, and we are going to stop this test. Start discharging. So if I show you carefully, pi value is the 1.55. The value after the 15 seconds goes to 830 mega ohm. After 1 minute, 136 mega ohm. The current reduced, that's why the resistance increases. And after 10 minutes, it's 2.12. The current also decrease. And the pi value is the 1.55. And this is in acceptable range. And the transformer pi test insulation is okay.